Hey there, ChatDaddy users! Today, we'll learn how to automatically respond to a customer using ChatDaddy's keyword reply feature. First things first, you need a message flow. Navigate to the Automations section on the sidebar, then click on Message Flows. Select New Message Flow to create one. For this tutorial, I've pre-made a simple message flow. It contains a starting message with 3 button options. Each button leads to another message. That leads to a call to action to purchase the product. Do keep in mind, actual flows will probably be more intricate. However, this one will work just fine for now. With your message flow ready, go back to the Automations section and select Keyword Reply. Click on New Keyword Reply. Here, we will decide the keyword in our customer's message, which will initiate the flow. For this demonstration, I'll set the keyword to Hi with an exclamation mark. This will allow us to automatically respond to messages that contain the text Hi. Next, we'll select the message flow we want to send as a response to Hi. Click Select Message Flow, and for this tutorial, I'll pick the demo flow I previously created. Now hit Save. Your newly made keyword reply will now be visible, complete with its current status. Let's see this in action now. Now let's head back to ChatDaddy and open this chat. You can see here the messages that were sent when the keyword reply was triggered. On the bottom left side of the chat bubble, you will find the automation that sent the message. In this case, it was the keyword reply that we set up. You can click on this to check as well as trace which keyword reply was triggered and when. Clicking on the Contains Hi button, you will be redirected to the settings page for this keyword reply. Now let's go over some other settings for keyword reply. In Reply To, there are several options which can be used for different use cases. Let's go over them briefly. Message Exactly Is triggers a response only if the customer's text matches your specified keyword completely. Message Starts With ensures the response is triggered only if the message begins with your saved keyword. Message Contains Text will trigger the reply if any part of the message includes your chosen keyword. Message Contains Phrase responds only when the customer's message incorporates the exact sequence of words you've defined. Finally, Reply to All Messages triggers a reply to every incoming message, ideal for welcome or introductory responses. Let's take an example to distinguish between Message Contains Text and Message Contains Phrase. If you set the setting as Message Contains Text with the keyword See You Later, Alligator, then the response will be triggered when the client sends See You Later, Alligator, as well as See You Later, Alligators, which is plural. However, if you have selected Message Contains Phrase, then the response will only be triggered on See You Later, Alligator, and not See You Later, Alligators, as it did not contain the exact words that were set. Different scenarios call for different settings, so choose one which fits your purpose. By default, the bot will work for all your channels. However, you can also select specific channels if you wish. There's also an option to limit trigger frequency. This determines how often the bot is triggered by the same keyword in a specific time frame. You can also set specific durations during which the bot will be triggered. By default, the bot is active all the time. However, you can set specific times for specific days. Under Advanced Settings, there are more customization options available. By default, chats are marked as read once the keyword reply triggers. You can disable this by toggling it off. Next, if you want, you can make the keyword reply trigger for group chats by toggling it on. You can also cancel follow-up messages in your flow if the client responds. Follow-up messages can be set up in your message flow using the delay feature to prompt the client to respond, if they haven't. You can also set the keyword reply to only respond to the first message from a new customer. All of these settings offer you additional customizations, which you can apply to your keyword reply automation. However, as we saw before, you can use the default settings and set up a keyword reply in a few minutes. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Save more time, do more business.